students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, we have finished the exercise 6A of the chapter simplification. Now today I am going to explain you about square root. What is square root? Square root of a given number is that number whose square is the given number. Now if I am reading this statement, you will not be able to understand what exactly square root means. Now square root means, if I talk about the number 4, 4 is obtained by multiplying 2 times. जब आप 2 को 2 times multiply करते हैं, then you are obtaining what? You are obtaining 4. So I can say that the square root of 4 is denoted by root 4. Okay, the square root of 4 is denoted by root 4. Now what is the square root of 4? जब आप देखेंगे 2 is multiplied 2 times, then we have obtained 4. So we can say that the square root of 4 is 2. If I talk about the square root of 9, 9 is obtained by multiplying 3 2 times. When we are multiplying 3 2 times, then we have obtained 9. So we can say that the square root of 9 is 3. Now if I talk about 16, under root 16, we can say it as under root, because it is under root. This is a symbol of root and it is written under that, so we used to call it as under root. So under root 16 is obtained by multiplying 4 2 times. So we can say that under root 16, the square root of under root 16 is 4. Okay students? So I hope you must have understood how we have to obtain. Now I will be telling you how to find out the square roots of the big numbers, because this was very easy. These were small numbers. Okay. Now for finding the square root of a number, how do we find the square root? We have to express it as a product of its prime. अब कैसे express करेंगे? You have to find out the LCM. You have to take out the LCM of the numbers. और आपको इस चीज़ का ध्यान देना है, while taking out the LCM, the numbers by which you are taking the LCM, it should be prime numbers. Then only you will be able to find out the not only prime numbers, as a product of its prime. हम ऐसा नहीं कहेंगे कि वो prime numbers है. Now taking some examples. For example, you have to obtain the square root of 81. ठीक है, 81 किसका square root है? We don't know that. So for that we have to take the LCM of 81. So 81. You have to start from the smallest number. 3 2s are 6, 2 remainder, 3 7s are 21. Then again 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3. So now we have to make pairs. How do we make pairs? Pairs are made by 2 2. See, 3 3 and 3 3. How many pairs are there in total? In total there are 2 pairs. So we will consider it as 1 3 and we will consider it as 1 3. So 3 3s are 9. So we can say that the root under root 81 is obtained by multiplying 9 2 times. So square root of under root 81 is 9. See, a pair of 3, a pair of 3. So 2 3 we have obtained. That means 9 is multiplied 2 times, because 3 3s are 9. In the same way, I will be explaining you some more examples so that you understood, because in the book it is written directly. So if I take as an example of 144, we have to find out what is the square root of under root 144. So how will we obtain? Find out the LCM of 144 from the smallest number. We have to begin. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 9s are 18. Then 9 does not comes in the table of 2. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So now we have to make a pair of 2. मतलब हम लोगों को पेयर्स में बनाना है. एक पेयर में 2 ही नंबर्स आते हैं आपको. वी ऑल नो दैट. So 1 pair, 2 pair and then 3 pair. Now we have to consider it as only 1 2, 2 and then only 1 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That means 144 is obtained by multiplying 12 2 times. So we can say that 144, the square root of 144 is 12. I hope you must have understood about the square root. I will be taking one more example जिससे आपको और अच्छे से clear हो जाए. So my next example is 225. Under root 225. ये किसका square root है? How will we find out that? So take the LCM. We have to begin with 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 9s are 45. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Again we have to make pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair. So these two will denote 1 3. These two will denote 1 5. Now 5 3s are 15. That means 225 is obtained by multiplying 15 2 times. So the square root of 225 is 15. So I hope you must have understood about finding out the square root. How do we obtain the square root? Now I am giving you some questions to find out the square root. आपको खुद से करने हैं in your maths homework copy. Okay? और जो मैंने इस वीडियो में स्क्वायर रूट्स आपको एक्सप्लेन किए हैं, those square roots you have to do in your maths classwork copy. So your homework is to find out the square root of 100. No, I will be giving you a different number. You have to find out the square root of 64, under root 64, and the next number will be 196. Next number will be 400. So you have to find out these 3 square roots. Only 3 are your homework. You have to do in your homework copy. In the next video we will continue the topic, that is test paper 6. So I hope you must have understood. If there is any problem, any query, you can comment down in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay safe.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.